beautiful sunset and bell ringing at our church. The bell ringing was by accident, but you will hear a very big bell ringing, and you'll see the vibrations that you'll feel even by hearing it here on the screen. But the vibrations are also good for the health for various reasons. Besides the fact that you hear wonderful tones, the vibrations also have the ability to break up the surface of viruses and germs. And this is according to scientific research findings. So they're good for a lot of things. I just wanted you to see the beautiful colors. I'm facing west. I don't think it does it any justice. It's not orange, it's pink. It's just really beautiful. It's really beautiful. We're having the Holy Liturgy of Presanctified Gifts, and this is our church here. People are inside. Sorry. Okay. There we go. That's beautiful. But the video doesn't do it justice, of course. That looks green. It's not green. It's supposed to be pink. I don't know why it's looking green in the screen, but it's pink with the eyes. You see, what happens sometimes is that the light frequencies that our eyes sees are not the same as what the cameras pick up. They pick up more frequencies, different frequencies. And it's not that dark up there. Okay, there it's more pink. As you can see, it's not green. When I go out, it becomes green again for some reason. But it's pink. Beautiful. Now, let me walk around this. Somebody came from the municipality. We have to cut down a tree because it's breaking up the pavement on one of the areas of the front garden. And here we are. That's Athens down there. That's Imitos down there. And in the background is the sea towards Piraeus. That blue there is the sea. That's not the city. It's in the distance, of course, but because of the fact that we're higher up, you get a diagonal vantage point. Oh, there's our bells. You know, it's very important. You know, in the olden days, they always had bells. Our bell is a very tiny one. But the big churches had big bells. And I had read once that the big bells that have a very, very deep sound, they vibrate the atmosphere. The frequency of the vibration of the bell vibrates the atmosphere, and it causes the membranes of the germs and the viruses to break up. The germs and viruses that are in the air break up from the vibration of the huge bells that used to ring. You know, churches used to have a series of bells with different notes. Unfortunately, nowadays we don't have bells ringing in. I know in the United States anyway, they don't ring the bells, and that's sad because they're also for health reasons they should be ringing bells because they break up the surface of the viruses and the germs. So he comes out every few minutes and rings the bell. And now I'm going to go inside. And I wish you all a very blessed Lenten season before Easter. And this is our little church. This looks small on the outside, but it's bigger inside. And that's the outside of it. And This is where we have our little table, and when we have commemorative services, we have our wheat, the coliva out here. We serve it here. We have benches everywhere, and some winter flowers as well. It's just beautiful. This is the reading room over here. Okay, that's it for now. God bless you. Thank you. And now you'll get to hear big bells. This is during the time of Lent, and the Orthodox churches allow some people to go up to the bell towers and ring the huge bells, and you'll see how big the strikes are. What are those things called? The pendulum that hangs that hits the bell. They're so huge that they have to have very big ropes to hit the bells with. Please be careful here because it's going to start out very loud. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in KAPOTA, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.